Hey guys, it's Ethan Howell here with ShopNomads.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to install skateboard trucks. So how you put a skateboard truck on is you take your truck and you take your hardware and you start by putting all four of your bolts in through the grip tape. After that, flip your board back around, slide your truck on, push your bolts up through, then you start to thread on the bolt on each one. Then I'm going to use a drill, but any 3/8 wrench or socket will work. And you take your Allen key, your screwdriver, whatever your hardware is, put it in, and then take my drill, tighten it up. After that, your skateboard trucks are on and you're ready to go. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to purchase anything, you can check out our online store, shopnomads.com, or you can come visit us. We're located in Sylvan Lake, Alberta.